So the brand sent me these padded chairs, and I kind of want to show you exactly what they look like compared to the other chairs that we had. This last weekend we had a crawfish boil, so we had quite a few friends over, and as you can see, we used a lot of these plastic chairs. We do have a set of 4 of these decorative chairs, which are super pretty. And then we have these nice, just kind of metal chairs that you would see at maybe like an event or a church or something like that. But these padded chairs were kind of like the highlight of the whole party, I will tell you. A lot of people really like sitting in this plastic chair because, of course, it does have the arms. But when you're looking at comfort and cushion, this chair right here was just kind of the highlight. Everybody wanted to sit in this chair as compared to this chair because of the fact that it had this nice little cushion seat. And then, of course, on the back side here, it also has a little bit of padding as well. So very comfortable to sit in. It's got the same seating distance just as you would any of these other metal chairs. And we really liked them because they didn't require any assembly either. I think the only thing that my son had to install was probably this little plastic piece, which kind of holds the chair in place when it's opened. Now, let me tell you a little bit about folding it up, because when you fold this chair up, this one here, it is really hard to fold up. I don't know if it's the fact that it's just an older chair, it's dirty or whatever it may be, but this chair right here just folds down so easily and then will easily go ahead and fold up and just doesn't take a lot of work to do so. I also like that when it folds up, it's going to be easy to store, super comfortable. And then, of course, they come in different colors. I received the black one, and I'm thankful for that because black is just a neutral color and will go with everything. Very nice chair. Super happy with it. It is made out of kind of like a metal here. And then, of course, everything here is kind of like a faux leather. The only thing that I would caution you is that if you happen to have someone who wears a bunch of rhinestones or things on their jeans or pants, this is going to get torn and snagged, which is why some people actually just prefer the solid metal chairs. But in regards to comfort, these definitely are so much more comfortable, and I would choose this chair over those, definitely.